Yes, we needed a moment to gather our thoughts and to find our voice back. Such has been the semi-final to the South India Derby, Karnataka Bulldozers versus Wales Chennai Kings. It went down the wire. It had a lot of drama, but eventually it was Karnataka Bulldozers who remain unbeaten to reach the finals. And now there will be two unbeaten teams who will be battling it out for the finals. The crucial innings came by Karthik, who took his time, took 44 balls, but in the end, it all proved extremely crucial. When he started, he was watchful. There was some fortune that favored him, but whenever he found the middle of the bat, there was just one destination of that cricket ball. Then this is the back-to-back sisters, the over by Vikrant, where he completely changed the script and the momentum towards his team. For Chennai Kings, 5 bowlers were used. Pari being the most successful out of the lot. Adav took 2 wickets, but that was the over of Vikrant Santosh that completely changed the script. And Karnataka Bulldozers, with 1 ball to spare, they went across the finish line. And now they will be aiming to lift the trophy for the 3rd time in the history to become the champions of Celebrity Cricket League. What a day for CCL. Both the semi-finals went down the wire. It was Bengal Tigers first and then Karnataka Bulldozers who remained the unbeaten teams, and Welsh Chennai Kings who made 160 in their response. Karnataka Bulldozers led by Karthik and a good support by Nirup, Karan and Darling Krishna scored the target of 161 at the loss of 7 wickets. And now it is clear. We have the finalists for the 12th edition of Celebrity Cricket League. And there are the two teams who have not tasted defeat so far. Karnataka Bulldozers versus Bengal Tigers, live at 6:30 p.m. from this very stadium in Coimbatore. And if you have witnessed the matches tonight, you know that tomorrow is going to be even better. It is going to be spicy, it is going to be delicious, and it is going to be a battle to watch out for. South India versus East India is going to be tomorrow. For now, it is time for the presentations. Let's head to Kunal Saluja.
What a thriller encounter we have just witnessed at the semi-finals of CCL 2026. Welcome to the post-match presentation. Let me introduce you to the presentation party. We have Dr. Aishri Ganeshan, owner Wales Chennai Kings. We have Sanvi Sudeep, Supriyanvi Picture Studios. We have Mr. Sarath Kumar, Wales Chennai Kings. We have Lakshmi Raju, founder Astrid World School. And we have Mr. Yogi Babu, Wales Chennai Kings. Well, it was an amazing match. Karnataka Bulldozers clearly bulldozed their way into the finals, and they will be fighting against Bengal Tigers tomorrow. But for now, let's go with the awards. First award is the entertainer of the match. And to give the award, I would like to request Mr. Sarath Kumar to come forward and give the award to the one and only captain of Karnataka Bulldozers, Kicha Sudeep, for entertaining us both on field and off the field. The captain was full on energy both on field and off the field. Next award is the Best Batsman Award. And to give the award, I would like to request Sanvi Sudeep to give the award to the captain of Wales Chennai Kings, Vikrant. An amazing performance by Vikrant tonight. Well, the next award is the award for the best bowler of the match, and the award, to give the award, I would like to request Lakshmi Rajuji, and to the winner of the award is Sachin from Karnataka Bulldozers. The next award is the man of the match. And to give the award, I would like to request Yogi Babu to give the award to the one and only Jairam Karthik. That's the kind of celebration you get when you become the man of the match and take your team into the finals. Well, now I would like to call the captain of Karnataka Bulldozers. Make some noise for Kicha Sudeep. Big congratulations, sir, for making it to the finals. I want to ask you something, sir. First of all, you started great. 161 was the target. When you guys started, it was good. But then there was a dip. Was there at any point of time you thought that we might lose this?
Of course, there will come a moment when I guess these thoughts will cross your minds. Because I have seen Chennai play year after year, and I think they come heavy on us every time. And they are one fantastic team we always love to play upon. And I think with Chennai on the other side, anything is possible. And also not to forget that, there were consistent wickets falling and the scores are getting a little tougher to see itself visually. But I guess game is there. Our team never lost hope anytime. Never.
And we never lost hope in you. Well, talking about that last ball you played ended the match with a 4. How was the feeling?
Sir, I guess after 30 years in the industry, that more utna to banta hai, sir. So, the last, I guess, to begin with, I think I played a great match against one of my friendlier side, Chennai, on the D-Day. It's a great thing to play against them. Then also, not to forget how beautifully they had defeated us in the last semi-finals, playing at Mysore. So it was an opportunity to come to Coimbatore and send them back home. So Vikrant is a very, very, very fair brother of mine. He's exactly feeling what I felt last time. That's exactly what it is. But I guess it was a day meant to be, I guess. I'm not sure, but it worked for us. And I'm very happy that the last winning runs came from me.
Well, one last question. Your team has given you the best gift on you completing 30 years in the film industry. Will there be a party tonight for your team members?
My team members are rock stars, rock stars, and I'll tell you, the way JK, I guess I will really give everything to him today, though we had a great inning from a lot of people. At that moment, to come and play that inning, and actually Vicky was bowling extremely well, to pick on him, go and get some few additional sixes over there at a crucial moment. I think he had it in him. Without him, I owe this victory. I owe this victory to JK for having pulled us out of the trouble, sir. That's it.
Well, thank you so much, sir, for giving your time, and big congratulations for reaching the finals. I hope you lift the trophy third time in CCL history. Big congratulations, sir, and best of luck for your match against Bengal Tigers tomorrow.
I also want to say to the Chennai team, I always will love you guys. All right? And it's always a pleasure to play. And no, I mean it. I mean it that I always wish that it is a final that we play and not a semi-finals. I hope next time we get to play and we play the finals together, my friends. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Make some noise for the captain.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೇನೆ ನನ್ನ 30ನೇ ವರ್ಷನ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಿಸಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಈ ಕಿಚನ್ನಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಯಾರು ಏನದು? I want JK to read this out. He had written this letter and he had put it in the pocket. I want JK to come.
Make some noise for JK, everyone.
Before the match, I had told them, what is it that you want to do in this match? Please write it and keep it in your pocket and fulfill it. This is what he had written. Please, I want you to read it.
I will hold the mic for you.
Well, never I've thought, about keeping all this thing in my pocket. And this is the first time Sudeep sir told all of us to do and what we need in our match. And I just wrote yesterday, I will be scoring the man of the match for the semi-finals. With best bowling and best batting, I'm the best.
Well, let me show this to the camera. This was written by JK, and he has proved it that if you manifest and if you put things in the world, in the universe comes back to you.
Thank you so much.
And big congratulations, JK. Best of luck for the match tomorrow against Bengal Tigers. And there you go. Keep this. And I hope you make another slip for tomorrow's match that you lift the trophy.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing tomorrow. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all from the post-match presentation. I'm Kunal Saluja signing off. I'll be seeing you tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. only on Jio Hotstar. Don't miss it because it's the finals of CCL 2026. It's Karnataka Bulldozers versus Bengal Tigers.